Hello, this is Nima Sultani, Master Weaver with Passion of Persia. Right here I'm demonstrating what happens if you do the Zanjir chord so you don't have to start over, what you can do. I already broke it. This was the old piece that was actually right here. This is my new strand. And this is the end of the new strand. And a very bended small needle. So what you're going to do is through the Zanjir chord that you already did, you're going to just feed it up like you're doing a warp repair. Yeah, that's good. So little needle. And see, are you following this, Matthew? That's going to hide it in the rug. And to make sure it's strong, let me lock it. To lock it, you just go by the nearby warp. You try not to stab yourself, but it does happen. Where are you? There you are. Videotape right here, Matthew. Right here. And then this is how we hide it. I'm going to finish that. I'll do it now. I missed the last knot. It's the hardest one. Sometimes. There it goes. There she is. If you need help with any rug restoration or cleaning, I can fix any type of damages to any rug. You can interact with me on Facebook at facebook.com/Passion of Persia rug repair or online at passionofpersia.com. And I can fix any damages to any rugs. Right now what I'm doing is the Zanjir cord to a silk on cotton Kashmiri rug. Kashmiri are the rugs from northern India. Pakistan and India has been fighting over them quite a while. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.